you know that cows are herbivores, but did you know they have 32 teeth, just like we do? Except all of theirs are on the bottom. They have no top teeth. Also, one cow can eat 30 to 50 pounds of hay every single day. You go, girl. And one cow can produce 200,000 glasses of milk over its lifetime. So here's my question for your math journal. Well, actually, there's two parts to this. If one cow produces 200,000 glasses of milk, how many cups of milk would 2 cows produce? And if one cow produces 200,000 glasses of milk in their lifetime, but you just drink 1/10 of that amount in your lifetime, how many glasses of milk will you drink? Answer in your journal, show all the work you needed to get your answer, and then share with your teacher for feedback. Here are those two questions again. Don't forget, you can hit pause while you're working. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I'll see you next time on our math journal journey. Bye-bye.